What's up, man? What's going on, guys? Today I am riding on my Kawasaki Z125 Pro. I'm just taking it over here a couple minutes down the street, try to teach a couple of my friends how to ride a bike. They've never ridden before, so this is the perfect learning machine. Hopefully I can get some funny footage of them learning how to ride or something. This is actually the bike I learned how to ride on. This is the first bike I bought, and I kind of bought it just because I was scared of riding anything else. I really wanted a Grom for a while. I thought they were really cool, but in the end I kind of got this because, well, it's not a Grom, but still I got a 125 in the end because I was kind of scared to ride anything else. I'd never even ridden a bike before I bought this thing, so I literally had to buy it and learn how to ride at home. That's why I bought a DRZ like 5 months later. Alright, here we are. This should be fun, because I know that at least one or two of them are scared shitless. I know for a fact. So, we will see how this goes. A lot of bikes out today. The fuck are they at? Oh, they're fucking over there. What the hell are you guys doing over here? Yeah. Dude, go over there. Alright, let's see it. It lets out really far, so you gotta let it out pretty far. There you go. There you go. That was smooth. Damn, that was smooth. Oh, look who it is. Yeah, dude, he's a natural. He's good. He just needs to learn how to shift gears, and that's it. He knows. See, Refot, why can't you do that? Like, you let off the throttle while you're shifting. So you let off the throttle, shift, and then go back on the throttle. Yeah, basically when your engine revs up a ton, that's when you shift gears.
Yeah, so then you pull in the clutch, hold, like, no, I was hoping it'd be like one of those. Roll off the throttle, you pull in the clutch, and you shift up, and then let your clutch out, and then throttle while you're letting your clutch out again. Just keep riding.
Yep.
So you always want to roll off your throttle before you
before you shift.
Shift gears.
Go for it. It'll be easy. You'll get it. Oh! He's got it, dude. He almost did a little wheelie. This dude, he needs to stop going so far. He's good, I think. Oh my god, dude, he's not even looking. He's not even looking for those fucking cars. Yeah, he's definitely in second. He's definitely not in first. Damn, he's got it. Pull in the clutch and stop. So you can either just pull this in and go down and stop, and then once you stop, you want to make sure you go back to first if you just pull this in and stop. Or you can pull this in, put it in neutral, and then let this out and then just stop. And then put it in first again before you start moving again.
Wait, Michael, you were in second gear, right?
Yeah, you shifted, right? Third?
Oh,
Word.
right, that's good.
So yeah, if you want to if you're like slowing down but not stopping, you can pull this in and just like press it down once and then let this out slowly, and it'll kind of like it'll slow you down a little bit. Like it'll feel like it's pushing on you a little bit, but it's fine.
It's like engine braking.
Yeah, it's like engine braking.
If you don't want it to jerk you slowly anytime soon, you can like give the
Yeah, that's a little more advanced, but yeah, rev matching. Oh, there's a that thing. Here's those two. That should be better.
You're gonna ride my bike next.
I'm gonna crash that thing.
Stop. Here, help me. Slow.
Slowly, gently. Just walk with it. Just get used to it.
A little more.
You're good. Yeah,
And then as you let it out more, it'll roll a little more.
just relax.
Yeah, just chill. You're good.
You're good. Yeah, just walk.
You can probably keep letting it out all the way. And as long as you just move a little with it. Watch out. To the left. Alright.
Be careful not to accidentally roll on the throttle. You don't want to do that just yet. Okay.
Oh, he's in neutral, dude.
Oh, you're in
He's not in first gear. Let it out more.
You feel it like pulling you? Don't throttle too hard.
Let it out more. Let it out a little more. There we go.
There you go. Yeah,
Put your feet up. Put your feet up. Give it a little throttle, just a little bit.
just a little throttle. Let out the clutch a little bit too.
All the way.
Turn left, Chaz. Turn left. You're good. Yeah, keep going.
Just give a little throttle. Let out the clutch.
That's all right.
There you go. Just keep practicing that.
Keep going around the lot. Keep going around the parking lot.
Wow. Okay. All right. I have to admit. It was definitely way better than I was expecting. Chaz on the 650. So once you hear the bike start to go down a little bit, and if you panic, just pull in both levers, and try to let go of the throttle and just pull in both levers if you panic. And if you drop it, it's fine. I don't care.